feels so good. That is right, peel off is back, and oh, I'm so excited for this video because it is a teeny bit different to what I usually do, but oh, I can see the outcome and she is going to be glorious. So, because peel off style is usually this, very colorful, you can spot me in a crowd from any kind of direction because like it is loud, but peel off is also loud, so like reflects the personality, yes? Because of this reason, I think I've gotten a lot of requests for me to do a goth kind of look. Peel off is about to do a goth transformation, transform herself from this kind of form, this kind of creature into a lady of the night. No, that is different connotation. So let's keep this short and sweet. Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of dumb stuff. And then without further ado, let us get on to the makeups. I'm going to take these shots for reference so that you can see the real like full getup that is what I'm wearing at the moment. This is my go-to outfit. I like my matchy like pants and like jumpsuit kind of situation that I tie-dyed myself because like life was just ever so boring, and I was like, I need to add a bit of spice, a little bit of flavor to this, and I couldn't decide on the color, so I decided on all of them. My lovely, oh, that completely missed. Nope, try again. Nope, try again. My Tims! Ah, I got it. My makeup switches a beautiful lilac to the lilac, I don't know, some sort of purple. Let's just take some cute, sexy slow-mos, yes? I don't know how to do sexy slow-mos with my whole body. Is this a sexy slow-mo? Back it up. Back it up. The reference makeups is now off, so that means that I'm nice and bare-faced and ready for a clean canvas so that I can go on with the masterpiece that is going to happen. No matter what makeups I start doing, I always start with Sin Stick because like I have a lot of sin on my face. Caffeine addiction, sleep deprivation, and all the little eruption boys on my face from not having like a genuine like skincare routine, but like, you know what? You just kind of deal with it, yes? Yeah. So I have my Sin Stick, and then I have some of this, which is like some like Australis Matchmaker like shade adjusting thing, the lightning one, because haha, usually in videos I get a few comments being like, that does not match your skin tone, and you know what? Accurate. I am ever so terrible at matching my skin tone, but today that does not matter. Why? Because the intention is for me to look like if Wednesday Addams grew up to be an Instagram baddie, if that makes sense. I don't think that makes any kind of sense, but that is okay. So I am just going to get my usual Sin Stick and then these droppers. Oh, that had nothing in it. Oh, that did have something in it. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to mixy that together. I thought that I have never seen the sun before. Well, wait. I'm about to look like I've never seen the sun ever. I'm about to look like one of those sewerage like mole people that like live in the sewers. That was a lot of product. Okay, we did not need that much peel off. We went a little bit too vigorously. Now that is all on, the glorious base is on, I am about to go in with the colors. If you're new to this channel, hello, I am Peel Off, and when it comes to the makeups, I always have a kind of idea of what I want to do, but I also just kind of make it up as I go along. Yes. Okay, so I know that I want to do a lot of black, and I also want to mix in some blues, because like I want the teeniest little pop of color, because like old habits die hard. I'm going to be using my Jawbreaker palette. I'm going to stop biting the palette. I'm going to use my Jawbreaker palette because you have the color Delicious, Soft, and where's the light one? Brain Freeze. Ooh, ouch. So I'm going to use that to like do in the main area, and then that to buff it, and then that to buff it even more. And then once that is all done, I'm going to add some black. By some black, I mean a lot of black. Oh, dang. I forgot how pigmented that was. Okay, well, too late now. Ha ha ha. Same brush, because like, why not? I make the rules of my own makeups, and I'm just going to hope this blends out. And I'm probably going to be standing here for like 20 minutes in the hopes that this blends out nicely. And you get like a cute little goth look with a pop of blue, so it's just kind of like, oh, the night sky. Oh, I want to be a night sky goth. There are so many different categories of goth that I was sitting there being like, I don't know which one I want to do. So I was just like, you know what? We're just going to try and do Wednesday Addams proud and just try and look like her if she was all grown up and Instagram famous. Because like, I feel as though that is an achievable goth kind of like aesthetic that Peel Off can kind of achieve. I just said achieve like twice in a sentence. That is a bad definition, Peel Off. You know how to articulate better than that. I just put on too much blue. I hate this! Sin Stick our whole entire eyebrow, yes? Yes, that is fine. Oh, that kind of worked! Excellent! Sometimes, even Peel Off, the makeup's goddess, she messes up. Even Peel Off, even Peel Off makes mistakes. enough sentimentality. Now that... Puppy, I'm trying to film. Now that all the mysterious blues are on my eye, we get to darken it up even more. So I'm just going in with my Holy Grail. Holy Grail. Makeup palette. My Morphe 35 color burst bead. Did I say it correctly this time? No! I am just going to get the black because I want to make sure that this is dark. I want to make sure that this is like, oh my gosh! And then I'm just going to use this and then all the other brushes to like really blend it together. I didn't want to start straight away with the black because I was like, oh, Pilaf, you're definitely going to mess it up if you just went straight for the black. Oh, Pilaf like that. Oh, I like that a lot. Peel off. Now that the shadows on the top part of our eye is done, we are just going to do the bottom part because I would never go outside without pants or some sort of like covering of my nether regions on. So therefore, I never go outside without the bottom part of my eyes. I'm just going to get delicious soaked brain freeze, put it on underneath, blend it all together, and then also put the black on top and just try and make that just, oh, so majestic, so clean, so what? Sometimes you cannot describe with words. It just has to be a straight up like onomatopoeia. Is this okay? I will fix it. Everything is fine. Everyone is calm. Pilaf, stay calm. I do look like I should be in Pirates of Penzance though. Blend is going to take me ever so long, but it is okay because art takes time. I have this like ColourPop gel pot in the color Swerve. I think I said before that I think a more accurate name would have been Licorice, but also like anyone who likes licorice, sociopath. I'm just going to use this to like line my bottom lashes before I put in the black eye chalk to like darken up the bottom, and then use all of the brushes that I've used already to blend it out so it is nice and just like soft and just like, oh, where does one color start? Where does it end? How did you do that? You're a master at the makeups, which, accurate. I'm going to stick my mirror here. And then I'm going to look at my mirror and I'm just going to line. I'm done here, I swear. Just going to try and line my autumn lashes. Don't know if I was recording as that happened. I think I hit record as I turned on the lights. I dropped my mirror. She shattered into 1,000 pieces. So now Pilaf has 7 years of bad luck. No, but you didn't have enough. Screw it. If I step on mirror, I step on mirror. I don't even care at this point. So I'm just going to fix up the foundations and the scent sticks that I put on. My family is walking around me panicked. Family, it is fine. Family, it is fine. It is all good. Pilaf is fine. The mirror is not.
Pilaf, you need.
My family is.
You need flip-flops.
Okay, according to my family, I have to put on shoes and clean up the mirror, and then I'm allowed to do the makeup.
Flip-flops.
Okay. Just yes. So everyone say fare thee well to the Marge mirror because she's dead. I really like that mirror. I put in a lot of effort. I went to a dollar store and I bought a $3 mirror, which doesn't make sense. You want a dollar store, not a $3 store. That makes no sense. Either way, I put in a lot of effort. I go to the store, I buy the mirror. And then I go into Google Images and I get a picture of Marge Simpson after Homer shoots her in the face with a makeup gun. And then I get some tape and tape it on. There's a lot of effort. That is all nice and blended and all of the beautiful eye chalks are now on. I'm just going to go in with the highlight. I'm just going to use this one because, I don't know, I like the idea of just a pure white highlighter. I think it goes very, very good with my pasty skin. Put that in the inner corner. Da 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 da. I am really liking this. I think if it was a little bit toned down, actually screw it, I am Pilaf. I'll wear whatever I want out and I'll probably wear this one out. They'll be like, oh my gosh, the makeup's goddess. She's gone the dark side. Beautiful. I am your makeup's goddess. That is my impression of Darth Vader if he just had a lot of phlegm. If he had like some congestion and a head cold. So because I've said droopy emotional lashes, my lashes like they slope. They just go down. Everything else is like up and peppy and they're just like, no, not today. So therefore I just use my eyelash guillotine. I call it my guillotine because like one step wrong and you lose a hat. Then once I do that, I put a cute little coat of mascara. I know last time I did a Welcome to Makeups, I said that I was throwing out this mascara, but I lied. Lashes are now curled, which means that I can go into the eye feathers. Yes! So I think these ones, I lost the names of them. Oh wait, they are Kiss Pompadour lashes. Peel Off used to put on heaps of glue and then be like, oh, why am I tearing out lashes all the time? Doesn't take a genius to figure it out, Peel Off. But I always choose white glue, that way like I can see when it gets tacky, because like I need things that are simple to keep my brain focused. So I always get white glue, because then when it dries clear it still has a bit of a blue hue, and at that point I know that is when I can like, now I just wait an eternity for them to dry. Not to the like thing so that they don't like fly away, because they're eye feathers for a reason. If you're too vigorous with the drying action, they just kind of like, whoop! No, they're stuck to the tweezers. This is why we don't be impatient, Peel Off. We broke a mirror today. We do not want to also tear off our eyelashes. I don't really know how to give like explicit instructions. It is just like, put it on your skin, but not your actual lashes. Otherwise, like, you risk losing your actual lashes when you take these bad boys off. Now that the right eye is looking majestic in the right feather, it is time to give the same thing to left eye, because left eye did not get a chance to mess up today because we did not do liner. So therefore, we need to give her a chance to be a pesky little baby cakes with something. So therefore, we are just going to do the same thing. Some glue, wait a long time, and then makeups just get so repetitive after a while. Like, there's only so many times you can watch videos that are like, okay, and now we put some purple in our crease just to give it a cute little pop of color. It's like, oh, okay, cool. What next, Cecil? You're going to put some highlighter in the inner corner? Oh my gosh, such a revolutionary idea. That is not roasting anyone. Just like every now and then, Peel Off has an attention span that you have to like, you have to keep there. Like, you have to do something extravagant to keep my attention there. Yes, you need to have a dog in the background on some roller skates and like one of those spinny top hats, like barking to like the 1812 overture. If you do not have that in your like makeups videos, Peel Off, she ain't even there. You have to have exactly that scenario. Otherwise, Peel Off is just like, oh, what is going on? Oh, we have a brush. Okay, we have the color green. Ooh, saucy. What is going on with me today? So I still am going to go for like the cute fluffy duffy brow. So I'm just going to use my brow brush with my Holy Grail makeup palette with the black color. Yeah. So Baba, oh, she's going to look so thick like Caterpillar. And I am so freaking excited. Oh, yes, I love this. And then just hope the left brow is not like left eye where it comes to the wing liner and it just doesn't want to sync up, because like, even though they're not supposed to be twins, I at least kind of want them related. I'm just going to get, what one are you? Conceal, Hydrate, Radiance Foundation with Hyaluronic acid. There. Okay, so I'm just going to get that on the back of my hand, and I am going to mix in those white droppies. I want to look like Casper the Friendly Freaking Ghost. I always make jokes about how ice cream is tan in comparison to me. Well, today I want to make that a fact. That is so much foundation. Oh, this is going to be interesting to blend. It is okay. Peel Off, you are a magician. Boy, oh boy, is she that teeniest bit, little bit slimy. But that is okay, because I'm just going to get some baby boom powder. Did I close it? Hello, sir. Oh, there she is. Yeah. Okay, so we're just going to kind of powder everything because she's so sticky. Is this what you're supposed to do? I have no freaking idea. Oh, there it is. I'm going to brave messing this whole entire thing up and getting a fluffy brush in the black shade and lightly dusting where I would usually contour. It is a lot darker than I intended. Well, I did say I did think that this was going to go badly. At least I was correct. You love put in so much effort for this. No! This mistake never happened. If I just keep fidgeting at it, it will fix itself, yes? That is all makeups really is. It's just fidgeting at your face with some colors. And I did the same thing to my nose, and I also instantly regretted that. Just going to do a cute little dust of some pure white shimmer to go with the pure whiteness that is my skin at the moment, because like at the end of the day I am starting to become my wall. So now I'm just going to use my Jeffree Star Weirdo lipstick because it is the only black one that I possess. So I don't actually have like lip liner. I know it is supposed to like help you trace your lips and stop the color from bleeding, but YOLO! Now I'm going to stop talking so that I can finish doing the list without smudging. Next part, before I put on the hair, because I have a wig in the store. Oh, I'm so excited. Before I put on the hair, I have boots, stockings, a white button-up shirt, a black sweater, and a skirt. I was thinking like if Wednesday Addams grew up to be an Instagram model, but like it was in winter, because I cannot afford like the like glorious like buckle-up boots and then like all the chains and the leather jackets. I just don't have the finances. So I really, all I had to work with was whatever Kmart had at my disposables. I had 3 kinds of stockings that I could have worn, and the ones that I wanted to wear, I put the fingernail through. So I went with a different pair, and I am incredibly hot because it is like 28 degrees Celsius in Australia. But now that the outfit is on, I can put on the hair, and then we are done. Ah! And then I just realized how silly it is that I put the makeups on first instead of the wig. Well, sucks to be you, peel off. Oh my gosh. I look like cockatoo. I'm not used to having this much hair. Even before I shaved my hair for charity, like, I never had this much hair. Gosh diggity dang, peel off. Then I just need to like comb out some of the wispies with my nails, because like I don't know where to comb with. I had it before when I was trying to take this out of being just like an absolute bird's nest of a wig, and now it is somewhere. I know that it is definitely somewhere, but now that that is on, I put on the beanie so that we have the legit like winter aesthetic. And we are done. We are done! Ah! This is definitely making me question my aesthetic choices. Ah! And here it is in all of its glory! Oh, there's my little shoe, my little booty. I'm not that flexible, but this is the outfit and the everything in its full glory. I went full on when I was like, oh, winter aesthetic, and like I'm sweating. I'm sweating so much because it is like 26, 30 degrees in Australia, but like it is humid. It is so humid. I am not a fan, but what I am a fan of is this. Oh my gosh, Peel Off is incredible. Peel Off did it. I love this. Peel Off is amazing. I want to do another one of these. I don't know if I want to do goth or I want to do something. I love the transformation. See, like makeups and fashion is so much fun, because literally if I was to walk down the street and one of you saw me, would you recognize me? I do not think so. But now that the outfit is all on, Peel Off's wig is looking incredible. It is just so much fun to play with, and our face is looking so stunning and flawless. Even though it is not me, it still looks so good, so scrumptious. I want to do it again. And because Peel Off is now a legitimate beauty goddess on YouTube's, there is only one thing left to do, and that is a sexy slow nose. Boom. This is if Wednesday Addams was going to like Vogue or something, like go to those clubs and then do the death drops and be like, whoop, that would be Wednesday Addams. She would just be like, yes, frame the face. Why am I even here? Why is the music so loud? Why is everyone having fun? This is not allowed. Monday Addams does not allow fun. Now that the makeup is flawless, the outfit is done, the dancing is done, and the sexy slow-mos are done. That is it for today's video. And this is always the worst part, because Peel Off doesn't like saying goodbye. Because goodbyes are always sad, and Peel Off does not like emotions. Emotions are for children. But no matter what your style is, your aesthetic is, if you go for the goth, if you go for the colors like I usually do, if you have natural makeup or very, very heavy, like eccentric makeups, no matter how you present yourself and express yourself artistically, just know the beauty is from the inside. And you need to go out there into the world and show them how stunning you are, how incredible you are, how amazing you are in every shape, way, and form, and make sure that they are aware of how incredible, and just make sure that they know that you are an absolute goddess. And while you're out there in the world, do not forget what your mother always says. If you can't say something nice, say something cruel.